Good day, guys. Been here. Today we have another railing exercise. So I believe these are the same. So let's do it. So to do this one, so what we need to do is let me just do a screenshot. We need to create this one. So as a baluster, and then another one. So once we create these two baluster, we can load them into the project, and then place them in a railing family. So let's start with a new family. Okay, so it will be baluster. Not sure which one we use. Maybe we just use a post, because there's no angles. We don't really need angles, so let's just try this. And also, actually, because we don't really want to change the height, we might need to, because when you have a complicated shape, and if you sometimes when you try to change the height, so for example change the here, it might break the family. So we better try to just model it as the actual height. So for example, this one, I'm not sure this needs to be, maybe that's 1 meter. And then that's 100 here, 100 here, so it's probably like roughly 800. So and also we need to just I'll save this screenshot on my desktop, capture. Okay, so now go to this. So in left elevation, we just need to import. So you can drag that in, or you can just I think we can just go insert, import image, and then it's on my desktop, capture, see, where is it? CAPT, this one, open. Okay, so now we need to scale it. So let's just roughly move it. So for example, I'm going to model this one first. So I just move this one to this reference level and use RE scale, this one, and click on here, click on the top, maybe roughly here, and down to maybe because we wanted it to be 800, right? So I'll just type in 800. And also for this one, I'll just change this one to 800 for now. And not sure about this one, top or post. Anyway, just leave it. Now we can start to model this one. So it's basically we can just do an extrusion. Okay, so let's just quickly, so extrusion. So first pick a plane. So we need to use a center left, right. Okay, so click OK. So now we can start to model. So I just quickly, just very roughly model this one. Okay, so it's not very clear, but let's just quickly. So I'll just only do one, maybe half. So actually, we only need to do quarter. So let me just do a line, and I'll just equal it. Yeah. Okay, so now I know that I only need to do this bit. Okay, so roughly, so let's pretend this is something like this. Oh, maybe not that. Okay, so stop here. I think it's probably just do something like this here. Okay, so and then this one, draw this up, close it, and then maybe we need something, a little bit more detail here. Can't really tell what this one is. Maybe something like this. Yeah, it's a bit hard. So maybe the line thickness needs to be, it's not helping. And okay, so let me change the scale. So maybe I'll change to 125. Yeah, that's better. Maybe we need a middle more, another line. How do we, let me just drag this one away. Okay, so it's terrible. So just go down here. Yeah, not doesn't look right. We need to close here. So all good, all good. This one needs to be maybe trim it here. I'll trim it here. Maybe we need to. Okay, so we still need to extend this one. Just go down here. I'll just drag them down to. Maybe I'll trim here. No. Something like this. Okay, just close it. Oh, good. So let's pretend this is perfect. Okay, so so this is 1/4, and then we just need to maybe delete this one because we can just mirror it. I'll just use mirror just pick this reference plane, so to the other side, and I'll just mirror again to pick this line, so mirror to the other side. So now we can just delete the middle lines. Let's do it again, delete. Okay, so yeah, close enough. And also so all good. So now we can extrusion, and then I'll just give it thickness, give it maybe 20 on each side, so it'll be 20 and -20. Finish. So now let's go to 3D view. That's not too bad. Okay, so yeah, maybe maybe let's make it thinner. So 10 and -10, so make it 20 mil overall. Okay, so that's just one. Okay, so now we can load this one. Let me just go back again, left. Yeah, so I'll maybe save this one. Save as family. I'll just today's date. I'll just call it A. Okay, so this will be the A, baluster A, and then we're going to do the B. So I'm going to just move this to here. So okay, and then I'll just go edit extrusion again. So let's just delete everything here, and then let me just cancel this because I need to adjust this image slightly to the right. Okay, all good. So now let's edit extrusion. So let's delete and let's do another one. So once again, I'll use S2 to pick the midpoint and draw a line here. Okay, so and then we just start with from here. So something like this. Okay, and so yeah, maybe we can do an arc, so to make it better. maybe do this. Oh hell. No, I'll just draw a line here, so we can find make it tangent, right? So okay, so that's probably it. Move it to the left to a little bit. Okay, so that's maybe let's add a void in the middle, something like this. Okay, so perfect. Now we can select this pick this reference plane, and again pick this line, and then we can delete this. So now we have another one. So let's save this one as another. So I change this to B. Wait. I'm not oh, sorry. We need to finish this first. So finish this extrusion first. Otherwise, it won't save this one. Sorry. Now we can save as a family B. Okay. So Okay, so now all good, and then we can just let me just open that family A as well. So now we have both A and B opened. So this one's B, this one's A. Now we can go to create a new project. Okay, so I'll just use, so actually even we not using any template, there will be at least one. I think there will be at least one. Let's go to floor plan level 1. So I just do a railing. So you will see there will be at least one railing, because railing is a system family. So it will always be one. So but this one's very simple railing. Only a what's that? Only a rail. So okay, so that's fine. So now we can just change. So but before that, let's load this into the project. Okay, so and then also this one B, load into project. Okay, so now go to this rail. So let's edit type. So I'm just going to have a look again. So let's say this one's maybe a circular railing, top rail maybe, and this is another second rail, horizontal. So this is maybe 1 meter high, this is 900, and then this is 100. Okay, so that's floor. Okay, so and then vertical baluster. Yeah, so and also there's this one. So this one's slightly different. So you can see this is different again, but I think this is not important for this exercise. For this one we are more focusing on these baluster, right? So okay, so it also looks like the number of this one's different. So maybe we need to this one's fine. So this is 1 2 3 4 5, and this one's 4. I think this can be tricky. I'm not sure how to. So this one, yeah, so this is 5, this is 4. Anyway, so let's have a test. Okay, so this one looks like 5. Maybe that's another 5 here. So okay. And actually before we do that, I'll just roughly check the spacing. So if I draw, let me just do a model line, center left to right. So roughly from here to here is about 250. Okay, so now we know that it's roughly 250 from here to here. And then we might still need another vertical one. So let's just try roughly. So that's 160. Okay, so okay, so 250, 160. So now go back to the railing. So now we need to, let's just place those baluster. Don't worry too much about the spacing for now. So we just need to, okay, so maybe this one can, just leave it for now, because we needed to have a circular, but this one's a square. So so you can see we have these two, right? So let's place the A. Oh, actually, start with B. So let's place B first. Okay, so and then the pattern can B A B A B. Okay, so and then if this one's C, so if this one's C, and then we need to B A B A. Oh no, this can be the end or starting post. This can be just inside of this pattern. So B A B A B C, B A B A B C. Okay, so B, right? So railing top rail. So I'm going to not set the top. Actually, I'm not sure. So I just use this one. So because I don't want to change the height, so I just leave them as 0 and 0 for now and see what happens. And then change. We need to. So the first one is the distance from previous. So the first one from here to the previous ones let's just use 160, and then we need to duplicate. Okay, so I'll just duplicate multiple. So maybe 5 of them. So B A B A. So we change this one to A, B, A, B, A, B, right? B, A, B, A, B, and then we need a C, but for now we just use B, A, B, A, B, and then this one needs to be 250. So actually the rest need to be 250. So this one, I'll just put in 0 for now. So I think let's just have a look. Okay, have a look. Click on OK. Top reference below. Okay, so it looks like we have some issue. Oh, hang on. So I cancelled it. Sorry. B. Let's do it again. Duplicate. B A B A B, and then host. Looks like we need to have some height. So maybe I'll just do this from 100 to 900 and see what happens. Okay, so and then the first one's 160 and then the rest are 250. So maybe I'll just put this one at 160. I'm not sure. And then host, or change this one to host, because I don't want to use that rail 1 because I might delete it in the future. So I just use host. Host is more like a level, so the reference level. So imagine you drawing a wall, you use both the floor level, so top base constraint and top constraint. Okay, so I'll change this one. Need to be 100 as well. 100, 100, 100. So click OK. But may require looks like we have some issue with the height. So let's have a look. Click OK. Okay. Okay. So it looks like the family. This one's A, right? So family A is fine, but family B we have some issue. So how do we do this? Let's just have a look. Family, this one's family B. So this was 800. Let's have a look in this one. So I want to go to a elevation, or sorry, I didn't use a template, so there's no elevation. So let's just create one. So this is a very interesting. So just use tab to, so you can see the direction of this symbol. So so this is the elevation view. So let's go to elevation. Okay, so I just want to double check the size. So I'll change the wireframe WF and dimension DI. I just want to check the height from here to, okay, so it looks like it changed back to 750, roughly 750. I think it's controlled. So it's controlled by the parameter. So it's actually let's go to railing. So this is A, right? So let's have a look, double click on that. No. Oh, there's no parameter. Okay, let's go back to this family A. And it looks like when we load this one into it, automatically change back to 750, which means if I move this one to 750, so you can see it's still fine. This family still works, and this is what we have. Oh, it's actually lower than 750. Okay. So let's try to. I'll see if I can adjust this height by. So that's 8. So maybe I increase this one. So this is from 100. Yeah, I'm not quite sure. If I change to this is B, or should change it A maybe. But I just want to change it one of them. Okay, so it looks like, yeah, start to work. But yeah, it's very weird. 950 is supposed to be, if I change to 950, it's supposed to be 850 overall, but it's not. So you can see it's not changing. But once I change this one to 900, and then it will, oh, actually, it's working. Sorry, let's just do it again. 850, 950. Okay, so 950 minus 100 is 850. So let's try this. Apply. Okay, so let's have a look again. So I'll just to change this dimension to the top of this one, 850. That's correct. Okay, so if I change this to 900, we're supposed to have 800 overall height. Yeah, but I think previously we have 900. Not sure why it doesn't work. See? Oh, sorry, 90. Oh, sorry again. Okay, try again. Yeah, so you can see it's just, yeah, I don't know why. How about 910? Try 910. So looks like we have some bug here. So maybe because of this rail, I don't know. Anyway, so let's just leave it. So currently that's 810. So now we can add let's add some horizontal members. Okay, so for the horizontal member, because we didn't use any template, there's no profiles. I don't think there's any. Let's just go here, so you will see profile. There's no profile file at all, so that's fine. So we can quickly create one. So let's create family. So go to profile, and also if you want this profile to be only used for rail, so we can just use this rail, and then we just need to draw a profile. So let's just do a for example, this should be diameter. So let's just add a diameter parameter. So how about this? I'll just call it a D, and a type it need to be type. Okay, so remember it need to be type. So now let's just change it to 30, and then we can just let's just directly load into here into the project. So now we can go to here, go railing, change the profile to that. So this is the one. So to make it easier, we can also go to profile. So on the project browser, on the family, so there's a profile here. So this is it. Okay, so you can if you did not like save as a name, you can do it here. So we can call it like circular, and then we can double click on this one. So this is 30, so we can just rename it. So 30 mm. Okay, so and D maybe. And then you can create a duplicate if you wanted to create so for example 25. So this one's 25. You just need to double click on it and then change this one to 25. Okay, so now, and then we can start to add more. So this one's so for example, we can just go to rail structure. So this one's 900. So how about we change this one to 1 meter, and then we add another one. So by duplicating, so this one maybe called 2. Maybe go down and type a 900, and this one you can change it to 25. And also if you wanted to change the material, so here it's here. Okay, so apply. You need to apply again. So yeah, that's it. And then also another one. So 1 at 100. So let's just duplicate. I'll just call it 3. Go down 100, and then okay, apply. Okay, so now we have this, and then we need some vertical. So from floor to the top, right? So for this one, let me think. We needed to, okay, so we also need to create another baluster, because we can't just use the profile for this one. So you need to go to baluster, and then you need to just add one. So from here, so let's just duplicate. So it will be this one. So you need to pick one. You need to pick a baluster family. So which means don't worry about this. We need to create a new family. So it will be baluster. Let's just use baluster post again. and this one can be quite simple, so we just need to, so we can use extrusion or sweep. Let's just do sweep. Okay, so I'll use sketch path, pick the center left right, so and then I'll just draw a line from floor to the top. So usually for a very simple model like this, so just extrusion, you don't really need to constrain, because usually it will automatically match the reference plans. So okay, so we need a profile. So let's just quickly just do it. Maybe 15 to make it 30 diameter. And if you want to add a parameter, so you can do this. So let di diameter and select this one, create a parameter. So let's need to be type as well. Okay, so click OK, and then let's finish this sweep. And just go, before we load this one into, just to have a quick check. So see, it works. Now load this one into the project as well, and then go to 3D view, select it, edit type. So go to baluster, so go to the last one, change this one to family 3. So if you wanted to change the name, you can also go to here, balusters on the railing, so family 3. So for example, I will change it to round post. Okay, so and then go here, so under the round post, so you can change the, because this is you can change the diameter of this one. So for this one, we can just call it 30 mmd. Okay, so and then you can duplicate. So just like the profile, you can create a different type. For example, you can change 25 for this one, and then you just rename it different. Okay, so that's all. Now if you go back there, so you will be able to change that. So you will see 30 and 25 if you wanted to. So now we have this one, but because this distance from this one to the previous one should be 160, so we need to change this one to 160. And for this one, I'm not sure. Maybe we need to change it to 0. One or more dimension reference, that should be some dimension, the height, that's fine. So let's click OK, apply. Okay, so let's no, we need to change the we need to change the base and the top of that round post. Okay, so here host 0. Okay, so it will go to the floor or any base or host. Okay, so and top will be, so this time we're going to use rail 1, because we have decided to use rail 1 as our top rail, and then top offset will be 0 as well. So okay, so that's just imagine that's a level, so level with 0 offset. So and then yeah, so click OK, apply. That's it. Okay, what happens to the yeah, to be honest, I'm not sure. Let's increase the length. Okay, so now you can see this is the pattern. So B, A, B, A, B, C. So this is C as well. But if I increase this a little bit, okay, so it looks like need to be, so if there's not enough space for the whole pattern, Revit won't place it any of this in here or here. So let's have a look and see what happens if we change this one to spread pattern to fit. Click OK. Okay, so it looks like yeah, so it looks like it will change the spacing, I think. So let's just do a check in the elevation, because we want I want to do a dimension. So if I do a dimension here, so you can see now it actually adjusts the spacing between these balusters. So previously we set them at 260 and set these at 250 and 160. So now you can see Revit automatically adjust them to fit 3 pattern, but it's not following the spacing we have here. So if you don't worry about the spacing, I think this is the easiest way. So you can always have the pattern, perfect pattern, right? So yeah, don't worry. So when it fits, you know, yeah, always. I think that the spacing 260 and 150, 250 and 160 will become the maximum spacing. Okay, and then of course we still need one here and one here, but for them we can just use the here. So it will be a start post, and so for this scenario we don't have a corner, but we can have one. So let's just use for example this 30. Okay, so and also you can Control A, Control C, and Control V. Oh, hang on, doesn't work. I didn't select all. Control C, Control V. Okay, so and also host real one, all good. Apply, and that's it. Okay, and also let me just CS create similar. So if I do a corner one, so it will automatically place one in the corner. And also sometimes you want to adjust, because you can see this is starting point. This is where it starts. It starts at this point. So this point, if you want, sometimes you want this one to go the other way. So it, you know what I mean? So you can adjust them. So that's the spacing. So this is space. Okay, so for example, this one, this is 30. If I type in 15, and this one, I'm not sure which one's positive and which one's negative, but I'll just do this. Click OK. Okay, so you can see it will move this one. So it will be within the sketch. It won't always, you know, offset by 15. Okay, so you can see that's the point, starting point of the sketch line of this railing. Same. So if you look at this one, edit. So this is exactly where it stop, because we offset this one to the left by 15. So by the radius of this railing. And okay, I think this is almost it. So let's try a stair. Sorry, let me increase. Hang on. Let me increase the. Oh, sorry, need to go to the top. So this is a tricky one. So sometimes you might find that if you in 3D view, it's very hard to adjust like the length. So you can see there's no handles, anything you can adjust. You just need to, one option is you can go to floor plan, because in a floor plan you can always, you know, quite easily, you can adjust the, you know, add more threads, or you can adjust the width. It's very simple, right? Another option is in 3D view, you can also click on the top, and then you select it again. So this time, so you can see in this view, if you select the stairs, you won't be able to adjust. You can adjust the width by typing a number here, but you can't increase the number of threads here. So you need to just click on the top and then unselect it and select it again. So now you can do the thing. Usually you can only do it in floor plan, right? Okay, so now let's just so finish. So let's have a look at the railing. I think it's not too bad. Yeah. This one's slightly different, but yeah, doesn't matter. Or you know what? So you can always set how. Let me think. What should I do? You can always. I'm going to do this. So this is this one's. I'm going to create. Let me just quickly create a floor. I just want to have a test. I'll just create a floor, and I'll just align. So now I'll just extend this. So I'll just draw another, not just drag this one. Some it might work as well, but I just want to create just another draw another line sketch. So now we have this one. So I think this one, I'm not sure if this one is the mid what's that called, corner. So it might be a corner, so which means we can go to baluster placement and change the corner post. So if I change this one, so I'm not going to change, actually let me just go to under here. We have those railing here, round post, right? So I'm just going to duplicate. I'll make it like 45, okay? And double click on it, change this one to 45, click OK, go back to the railing, edit type, baluster placement, and also here I'm going to change this one to 45, and for the top I'm going to add some offset, so maybe 100, okay? Click OK, OK, that's it. So this is a corner post, right? So of course it's not, it doesn't look like this, but you can always not using this round post, because we just create a sweep. It's a very simple shape. So you can, I'll just quickly do it, okay? So I promise it's very quick. So go to post, and then for this one, so for example, I just draw, this time we can just use revolve, still use center, left, right, okay? And then for the axis line will be this reference plan. Boundary line will be, we can just quickly draw something like that post, like this post. So because it looks like round, I'm not sure if it might be square, but anyway, so let's just quickly do it. So maybe change the scale for now. I'm not sure the overall height. I'll just draw a line up there. So a meter, we need a little bit more. Okay, 1100. And then I'll just draw a arc. Right, so and then don't know, maybe something like this. Okay, so go down all the way down to here, and then trim it. Okay, so then maybe just increase this a little bit. Okay, so finish, and then we'll have something like this. So maybe our TL. So yeah, SD shade. Okay, so now we have this. Yeah, let's pretend it's perfect. Okay, so load this one into the project, select it, edit type, and baluster placement, change this one to the one we just did. And this time I'm not going to, yeah, I'm not sure actually. I'll just use one. Let's just do this. Okay, so click OK, OK. Okay, so it looks like we have some issue with the height, because for some reason you can see this one as well. The starting level is, it go to the treads instead of starting from here. So which means this one it looks like, I'm not sure if we can increase the height here. It might not work. No, it doesn't work. So which means we need to go, let's go back, or where is it? Here. So go to the front. We just need to somehow we just need to edit go to left view. Yeah, we just need to increase the height here. So yeah, not sure how much. Yeah. And also it's a little awkward. Let's just make all curved. Use the fillet arc tool. So the fillet arc tool is very good to make to create all these perfect nice. Still not right, but anyway. So let's load this one. Overwrite. Yeah. So okay. So it's quite ugly, but yeah. So this is it. And what do you think? Yeah, the pattern here is not, it's different, but yeah, this is what we can. I do not think we can do it the other way. Yeah, probably you probably need to create a different railing. So just so to change the pattern. But anyway, so this is it. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.